a cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, pumping braids, got mini afros, big lips, got tips, some of us don't, big nose contours, some of us won't, never wanna pass in a video, bro, wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, wanna put pretty in my eyes.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit sent over from Outre. This is one of their newer units from their melted hairline collection by the name of Hali. Now, Miss Hali does come in multiple colors, and I'll have that list somewhere here on the screen for you all. I received the Spice Cognac color, and I'm not gonna lie, for some reason I thought the Cognac color would come with like more of an orangish tint to it, like a reddish orangish tint to it. I don't know why. I don't know if I was thinking that because of like the spice part or the cognac part, but nonetheless, I'm not mad at this color. As you can see, this unit is more of like a reddish brownish color with more of that red color like concentrated towards the bottom of the unit. And if you know anything about me, I love me a good reddish brownish unit. This unit comes in 18 inches, which in my opinion, anything from like 18 to 20 inches is always a good unit or a good length for everyday wear. The cap construction for this unit is your standard cap construction with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side. It also comes with adjustable straps and a pre-attached security band. If you know anything about the melted hairline collection, then you know that when it comes to the perimeter of the unit, I want to say you get about an inch, maybe an inch and a half worth of a lace space, and then it also comes with a 5-inch deep parting space. With this particular unit, the parting space is located on the left side. Now I'm trying to think of any other units that might have the parting on the right side, and honestly I can't think of any right now, but there probably is some. Again, I just can't think of it right now. Now I've seen on some melted hairline units where it'll say the parting space is a wide parting space. I don't think this one is. I think this one is just the standard one, but don't worry, I feel like it was wide enough to like help create a kind of semi-curved parting space versus that like straight part. Like, I don't really like a straight part. Despite the perimeter lace space being on the shorter side when it comes to these type of units, nonetheless, this unit did still come equipped with both baby hairs and a pre-plucked hairline. When it comes to the styling of this unit, as you can see on the stock card, it comes with like this short layered bang in the front, while like the rest of the hair kind of hits at that 18-inch mark. Those are all of the specs that I have for this unit, so let's go ahead and hop into the install, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts.
How you feeling? Sensational. Yeah. What didn't I do for you, girl? And I know I still do for you. Love like a riddle, yeah. Give me that clue, so the riddle. Oh, that's just a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, baby bitch. Tell me love her to the morning, nah. Love her to the nighttime, nah.
Okay, so you guys know whenever we talk about my pros and cons for a unit, I typically start with my cons first. And if I'm gonna be like completely open, honest, and upfront with you all, I will let you guys know initially when I first took this unit out of the box, I did not like her. Just looking at the unit straight out of the box, I was just thinking like, this is not gonna be my cup of tea. And I feel like I was thinking that way and feeling that way because of the like short layered bang in the front. I was just like, yeah, no, with that little piece being that short and layered like that and everything falling at 18 inches, I was like, it's not doing it for me. So then I decided that I was gonna like possibly try to like cut this side to match it, and glad I did not do that, because although this unit does say on the stock card that it can take heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, that is a lie. I have a Conair 1.5 inch, I started to say blow dryer, no girl, a Conair 1.5 inch, what's it called, curling iron, and I want to say, I think it goes up to 450 degrees. I could be wrong. I want to say I put it on like 20, so that would be like, I don't know, maybe like 300, 325, 350, I don't know. Girl, no. Whenever I tried to like bump the ends of the unit, because I wanted to test it out just to see if it could hold heat, because if it could, then I was going to cut this part and like layer it up and curl it and whatnot. When I curled one side of this, it almost like fell straight. So I was like, oh no, we're not gonna do that at all. So what I decided to do instead was just kind of like use my hand and push the hair back and just hope, pray, and wish that it stays in place. And so far, so good. Now with me saying all that, you would think that I would have at least one con. Again, still, I'm sticking beside what I said. I don't have any cons for this unit because the longer I wear her, the more she grows on me. In my opinion, this unit is perfect for everyday wear. I'm pretty sure I said that at like the beginning of the video, but I say that because I don't know, to me it just gives like effortlessly put together. Like you didn't have to try too hard at all with this unit. The hairline on this unit is really nice, along with the lace melting to like perfection. But I mean, let's be real, it's Outre, so what do we expect? The density for this unit is very lightweight. Like she's perfect for those spring and summer months that we have coming up, or that we're currently in. But you could also wear this unit like year round. I don't think she's so thin to where you will feel or see tracks, or at least I'm not really feeling them. And I don't think you can see them. Can you? Hopefully you couldn't see any tracks. I mean, if you could, then girl, let me know in the comments because I can't see behind my head. But no, on a serious note, I really do like the unit. But you guys let me know what you think and how you feel down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave. And also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to put whatever information I can find on this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.